Hello, and thank you very much for joining me in the studio today where we paint away the stress of everyday life. Now, I was thinking, it's soon to be that time of year when we see Santa Claus in the sky, and I thought it might be a good idea if I did a series of paintings for some Christmas cards. Maybe you could use these ideas, change them a little bit, and design your own Christmas cards. But without further ado, let's have a look at the palette, see what colours I'm going to be using today, and we'll discuss the painting in more detail.
It's time to learn with our friend Clive. So grab your brush, have a great time. And don't forget to click subscribe.
So as you can see, I've got a basic palette set up. This is what I call a wet palette. It's got some tissue paper underneath, anything that's absorbent really, and it's got some greaseproof paper or parchment paper on top, and it's soaked with water. This leaves the surface damp, as you've heard me say before. I've got a little bit of my medium mix. I'm going to put a little bit of flow improver into the other jar there. The medium mix you can buy on my YouTube, my website, sorry, at www.clive5art.co.uk. Pop along there. I'll put some flow improver in there in a second. So the colours I've got are yellow ochre. I've got a cobalt blue today. That's nice. Any blue you can, if you've got ultramarine blue or a processed blue, or I wouldn't use cerulean blue because it's got more of a green shade to it, but I'd use an ultramarine blue if you haven't got any cobalt blue. I got some Prussian blue, some Mars black and some white. It's as simple as that. So what we're going to do now today, I'm just going to put a bit of flow improver into my container there. I thought we would do something like some mountains, maybe a river or something like that, a few trees in the background. That's about it really. That's the idea I've got in my head. So let's get down to business. Let's start painting its sky today. So I've got an idea today. What I'm going to be doing is, because of the situation we find ourselves in with all this nasty virus that's been going about, let's put a little bit of grey into the sky. And I've had a few comments saying about painting away the stress of everyday life here in Wales, and I thought, would it be nice if maybe what I did with this particular video is I just painted along and you could just watch me, and I maybe put a bit of music on. I'll do a little bit of talking in between. There we go. Do a bit of talking in between. But I think mainly today this is going to be more of a relaxation video. And what I'm also going to do, if you want to watch and listen to exactly what I'm going to say today, I'll be using a different narration for my members. So if you're a member, then please click on to the members video, or you'll be notified about that, and then you'll see the whole process, and we'll talk about different things as I go along with this. But in the meantime, I'm just going to put the sky in place like this. I'm using a little bit of blue, a little bit of black, and I'm just going to darken this sky up because we want this moody, snowy looking grey type of sky in the background. And then I'm just going to bring that down. We'll add some mountains in as well. So there you go.